Hi children, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing great. Very good. Today I'm here to teach you a new Montessori activity. That is pouring activity. Shall we start the activity? This activity will improve your hand coordination and eye concentration. See, for this activity I've taken a jar of water and 3 glasses with me. So shall we start? We will pour this water into the glass. Yes, you should also do the same way. Take a jar of water, 3 glasses, and pour the water inside. Very good. So this activity, do it at home and send me a video. Okay? Bye.